Make a great choice today with the 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.